easy.
Storm Eunice. Red warning issued in UK as 90 miles per hour winds forecast.
Oh my god, I caught that on video!
Storm Eunice is expected to arrive at 5 a.m. on Friday, bringing potentially dangerous weather for much of the UK. People were being urged to consider staying at home, and rail services were being cancelled on a day with winds of up to 90 miles per hour expected, and, farther north, possible heavy snow and blizzards. Coastal areas of Cornwall, Devon, Somerset and South Wales will bear the brunt of Eunice, with a red warning in place between 7 a.m. and midday. People can expect flying debris presenting a danger to life, forecasters said, as well as roofs blown off, power cuts, uprooted trees and major travel disruption. A major incident was declared in Cornwall, with residents advised not to travel unless absolutely necessary, and to stay away from exposed coastal areas, with Cornwall Council warning winds could hit 100 miles per hour. Residents in Bournemouth, Christchurch and Poole were also urged to travel only if essential by the local council. Eunice was declared a major incident by authorities in Devon and Somerset due to the potential for severe disruption. Police said it was likely both Severn crossings would be closed.
Oh shit! It fell off.
Be careful! Be careful! Run! Run! Run!